Hello, my name is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'm going to be taking you around this Audi approved used vehicle. So the vehicle featured today is this approved used Audi E-tron Sportback S-line 50 Quattro. This particular example is also finished in the optional Mythos black metallic paintwork, which is really give this vehicle that standout road appearance. Now, as you look towards the key features, and with this being the S-line trim level, it does mean this e-tron benefits from the additional sporty styling at the front, the rear and also at the side, with the added boot lip spoiler and the more aggressive rear diffuser. Moving on now to the exterior key features, we do find these fantastic LED headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Now moving down towards the alloy wheels, we find these fantastic 21-inch 9.5 arm turn design alloys, and they do really complement that black paint. To the side of the e-tron now, there is the rear privacy glass, which does keep the rear occupants from view, so as continuing this overall blacked out theme. Now moving into the rear boot space, we do find up to 528 litres of boot capacity, which is a large amount for an EV of this size. This can easily accommodate 2 larger suitcases as well as a few additional shopping bags. Moving into the rear seats now, we find a full leather interior with the additional white stitching to complement. As well as this, there is a leather centre armrest which fold down for added comforts, and there are Isofix points which are neatly located across the back row. As well as this, there is rear ventilation as well as added storage behind both front seats with the nets. Moving into the front now, we find a very well designed and luxurious cabin with a large amount of plush materials such as leather, alcantara and aluminium. With this being the S-line model, it does mean the full leather seats are equipped and of a sporty design, do feature the white stitching as well as the S-line logo. Above now, there is the virtual cockpit, which has featured this fantastic display with the 2 digital rev counters. Then by pressing the view button on the left hand side, you can change the view of the overall display. And further down from this now, we find this fantastic digitalised dual zone climate control, which is very easily adjustable and is touch sensitive, and it does feature the heated seat functionalities located either side for both front occupants. To the central screen now, we find the fantastic reversing camera as well as the front and rear sensors, making this vehicle much easier to park, especially in those tighter spaces. So this vehicle does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and a minimum of 12 months roadside assistance. For more information or to book a test drive, do give us a call now on 01785 899 417.